used to be extremely genuinely happy for everyone. So this year when I won, even I felt that amongst the colleagues. Okay? They were also, just as happy for me because to be there is enough.
But what I just said about you having reinvented yourself,
Ji.
it's true. You think you reinvented yourself?
Yeah, it is true. पहले मैं denial में थी कुछ साल, because I think जब वो process चल रहा होता है तो it's a very difficult process. Like it's not like you take it upon yourself, but it just starts, right? And then you're kind of leaving behind your old self, and you've still not completely become your new self. So it's like very back and forth between two personalities. But today I feel confidently that I think there has been a change. I can see that now. And
after a zillion people have told you.
Yeah, actually, but असल में more than me being able to see it, it's everyone telling me. तो अब मैंने सोचा बस यार अब सब कह रहे हैं तो ठीक है.
लेकिन क्या हुआ है? Because 2016-17, as I said, you were hailed as the social media queen, and at one point, there's no secret, you had the most followers on Instagram.
Right.
And if I may say this, you were also criticized a lot. कि यार के क्या है, मतलब सोशल मीडिया ही तो है, एक्टिंग तो नहीं आती मावरा को. And if I may take the liberty to say this used to bother you also.
Yes.
कि यार why is nobody speaking about my work?
Yeah.
वहां से अब when you do a scene and everybody is going गागा आगे यार ओए ये मावरा ने कैसे कर दिया, ये ड्रामा तो ऐसा और ये ऐसा, बट मावरा की परफॉर्मेंस और मावरा का एक्सप्रेशन और मावरा ने ये कर दिया, ये जो ट्रांजिशन आया, what do you attribute that to?
I think work speaks for
But you were
itself.
working then also.
I think that now I can't say what kind of actor I was back then or what I have achieved today. I can't be the best judge for it. But I think that even back then, my performances were appreciated, especially for my movie. Everyone said that but I think it used to get overshadowed by the social
Persona.
media and the noise of the personality or whatever you may say.
और रेड कार्पेट पे जाती थी तो वो तस्वीरें वो वायरल कि अच्छा ये पहना हुआ है तो ये पहना.
हालांकि उसमें से कुछ भी ऐसा कभी इंटेंशनली होता था. Sometimes people called me and asked me कैसे you were trending for 10 days, हम कैसे करें? And I'm like, I swear I have no idea. Like how can I know how to make my own self trend, right? तो वो तब हो जाता था. I think it's also your age where you're a bit frivolous. You do things, you don't understand their consequences, and hence like it would turn into like trending or whatever.
What was Mavra thinking 8-9 years ago? ये जो टाइम जिसकी हम बात करें, of course हम current टाइम पे भी आएंगे.
I wasn't thinking at all. I think this shift that everybody feels is because I started thinking for the first time.
And why did you start thinking?
I don't know. I think I got too much time on my hands during COVID. And I was like, might as well think a little.
And this is COVID because if my memory serves right, 2020 के अगस्त में हमने आखिरी इंटरव्यू किया था 1-on-1. वो था तब सबात वाज ऑन एयर और सबात अक्टूबर में खत्म हुआ है. And I think it is सबात and post सबात your career and your characters that you've chosen that have really made a difference in you and then to the audience at large also. Because सबात में अनाया, फिर किस्सा मेहरबानों का, फिर नीम, नौरोज, नाउ जफा, बैक टू बैक ये ऐसे परफॉर्मेंसेज हैं और ऐसे कैरेक्टर्स हैं कि जो अपने कंधों पे ना सिर्फ ड्रामे को चला रहे हैं लेकिन फिर वो एक जो प्रोग्रेसिव एक फियर्स खातून लड़की वो रोल्स हैं. तो ये क्या डिसीजन था कि यार मैंने अब ये कैरेक्टर्स करने हैं या ये होता गया?
अच्छा पता है बीच में लेट्स ट्राई मोहब्बत भी था जो बिल्कुल नहीं चला. तो ऐसा नहीं है.
7-8 किस्त थी ना.
चलती है कभी-कभी. माय जजमेंट आल्सो गोज रॉन्ग समटाइम्स यू थिंक.
उस पे भी मैं पूछूंगा कि अच्छा ये सारी
मैंने कहा मैं बिल्कुल भी भूली नहीं हूँ. ऐसा नहीं है कि आई एम ओनली लुकिंग एट द गुड वर्क. जो मुझसे कभी कुछ ब्लंडर हो जाता है वो भी मुझे याद रहता है. आल्सो make assessment of why I chose the script.
You're so honest, Mavra.
Of course, like
I would have brought up Let's Try Mohabbat also, but I would have said
शायद आप
सबात का क्या था डिसीजन करने का और उसके बाद ये जो आपने consecutively 4 जो बड़े ड्रामे किए हैं इनका क्या thought process क्या था?
So like I said, I wasn't thinking earlier.
Pre-Sabat.
Yeah, pre-Sabat, even for Sabat. Right from the beginning of my career, I used to just go by my gut. And at that time, I think my gut only guided me to work hard. Wherever I saw I could work hard, I could be really dedicated and just do a lot of mazdoori, so to say. तो मैं काम पे लग जाती थी 12 घंटे हो 16 घंटे हो पर डे. I used to work all the time. I think right from 2012 to up until my movie, because that was a big change in my career. So I
And
remember.
when you say movie, you say Sanam Teri Kasam.
Yes. So
You don't say JPNA 2.
No, I say Sanam Teri Kasam because that was my first movie. And right from my first serial to my first movie, I just worked. I just knew that I have dates and I do this job. And as long as I have a date, I will just give my dates to a
मैं कोई भी
producer.
स्क्रिप्ट कर लूंगी.
हाँ, मुझे
But you're being very honest about this.
क्योंकि उस वक्त जब आप छोटे होते हो आपको समझ नहीं होती है स्क्रिप्ट की, तो गलत होगा कहना कि नहीं मुझे बहुत समझ थी. आई थिंक मुझे बस ये समझ थी, मामा कहती थी हरकत में बरकत है, तो मुझे ये पता था मैं काम करती रहूंगी ना तो आई विल गेट समवेयर. आई डिडंट नो वेयर डू आई वांट टू गेट, बट मुझे पता था कहीं को तो रास्ता निकलेगा जब आप मेहनत करोगे तो. एंड आई थिंक उसी के दौरान सोशल मीडिया आया और सोशल मीडिया ब्लू अप फॉर मी.
और आपने बड़े लोगों को बना के दिया इंस्टाग्राम, जिनको पता ही नहीं था.
एंड एवरीबडी थॉट कि मावरा को हम इसलिए जानते हैं क्योंकि वो इंस्टाग्राम पे है. लेकिन उस वक्त भी और इवन टुडे हसन, आपके अगर अच्छा काम चल नहीं रहा ना तो इंस्टाग्राम अकेला कुछ नहीं कर सकता.
बड़े लोग हैं अभी.
नहीं इंस्टाग्राम, यू नो, just Instagram. I'm strictly speaking of Instagram, which is a platform.
There's so many influencers who've come up now.
Maybe now things have changed. At least उस टाइम पर मुझे लगता है कि मेरे जो Instagram के followers भी थे, क्योंकि उस वक्त मेरे एक साल में 6 सीरियल चलते थे, you know, और क्योंकि वो प्रोजेक्ट्स बहुत कोई माइंडफुली सिलेक्ट किए हुए प्रोजेक्ट्स नहीं थे, तो वो प्रोजेक्ट्स शायद उतने बड़े नहीं होते थे. 6 में से कोई एक का नाम आपको याद होगा या 6 में से 2 का, बट मेरे हर साल 6-7 सीरियल चलते थे, जिसकी वजह से आई थिंक आई हैड दैट पॉपुलैरिटी.
So you're attributing that वो जो था एक टाइम पे कि queen of वो was because you think because of the drama?
I think if when I joined,
or you just knew how to use Instagram better than that lot.
I think I knew how to use Instagram as well, but I think Instagram जब आया तो the fact that I was already on screen really helped me get the followers I got. And then what you do with your Instagram also, helps with the following and everything. But I think with Sabaat, the shift happened on its own. I think मेरे नसीब में था Sabaat. And I don't know if I must have said this before in an interview as well, क्योंकि 4 साल हो गए हैं, that I was not going to do Sabaat. And you, of all the people, know this, that I was actually going for another film, and then that film got delayed, and Shahzad Bhai was very keen that I play Anaya. And before me, they had cast 2 other people in Anaya, and then Shahzad Bhai didn't go for them. So मुझे लगता है कि the fight that Shahzad Bhai put up for me, वो मेरे नसीब में था कि मैंने ही सबात करना था. और क्योंकि मेरी अपनी डेट्स दासी में फंसी हुई थी, तो मैं 2-3 बार सबात से एक्सक्यूज़ कर चुकी थी कि मेरे पास डेट्स नहीं है. बट वो सबात खुद से हुआ है, सबात किस्मत से हुआ है. But once I think I went to Sabaat, I went to Islamabad.
You moved to Islamabad?
No, तब तो I just went for a couple of months.
उसके बाद you didn't come back?
No, I didn't. But उस time पे the intention was not to move. I just went to Islamabad, and I think because I grew up in Islamabad, it also kind of started that thought process of who I used to be and who I've become after all these years.
आपने ये ट्रिगर क्या बना इस सारी चीज के लिए? ये जो थॉट प्रोसेस शुरू हुआ, आप इस्लामाबाद गई, ये खुद ही हो गया या इसके पीछे कुछ था, कोई सोच थी, कोई वाकया था?
No, I think just being in that city where I grew up and to recognize the privileges I now had, क्योंकि मैं एक एक्टर बन चुकी हूँ और मैं इतने साल काम कर चुकी हूँ, I think that made me think, what am I doing with my privilege? What am I doing with the work opportunities I get? And then Sabaat was followed by COVID. तो जो मेरा thought process start हुआ, अब टाइम ही टाइम था कि भाई सोचो अब इस बारे में बैठ कर. So I think that took me deep into the.
सबात की वजह से क्या तब्दील हुआ आपकी जिंदगी में? क्योंकि उसके बाद ये सारी आपके डिसीजंस आए, इसके बाद लोगों ने कहना शुरू किया मावरा तब्दील हो गई है, मावरा बिल्कुल चेंज हो गई है, सोशल मीडिया